Hello everyone. So this is the voice which is recorded over the inbuilt microphone. It's not used with the Boya BY MM1. So we're gonna test it while using Boya and see how was the audio quality. Okay. Now what you see is from the not from the mic. So this is from the inbuilt speaker. Okay. So now I'm gonna put the Boya mic, which is BY MM1, and see what is the difference. Okay. I have plugged in now Boya BY MM1 and I'm speaking almost 6 inches far. So this is the voice quality in case if you're using Boya BY MM1. So what you see before was the voice quality from the inbuilt speaker from the laptop nor from the mobile, and this is the voice quality. Now what you see is from the mic. Okay, so hope you see this difference. In case if you want to improve your audio quality, make sure you use this mic. So in case if you want to know the unboxing of this mic, I put the link in the description where you can watch that. Have a great day. Bye.